people often hear about decentralized exchange, decentralized exchange, decentralized exchange. What's actually the meaning of decentralized exchange? So in this video, I'm going to explain what's decentralized exchange for you. So decentralized exchange is just a platform. It's just like a local market where people come and trade one-in-one transactions. So maybe if you are trading by barter, I'll provide the goods, then you also provide the goods, then we exchange it in the same value. Or we do buy and sell. I'll sell something for you, then you give me 30 middlemen in local markets. So that is basically what decentralized exchange is all about. So decentralized exchange is a platform where you trade your cryptocurrency, peer-to-peer trading, without any middleman. Nobody will be serve as a middleman. Nobody will serve as interconnection or anything. Nobody. It's just you and the person that you want to do trade with, or you want to do any transaction with. So it's built on blockchain and run with smart contract, which is self-executing code. Sure you understand? So nobody control it. You are the owner of your asset. The price of the market is determined strictly by it, not by any organizations, unlike this centralized exchange. So if you look at centralized exchange, there are people that are actually controlling it. So they will decide, okay, this is how we charge for this transaction, this is how we do, just like a bank. Just like a bank. So if you see a bank now, if you're in Nigeria, then you realize that they will charge you for ATM fees, whatever fees. Some accounts, whenever money enter your account, they know the amount, they know the time, they know everything about you, and they can even freeze your account. They can take anything. So they can decide that you cannot withdraw today and you not withdraw because it is centralized. They control your assets. Though you are the owner, but yes, they control it. For example, if you are in Nigeria now, there's some maximum amount of money you can withdraw per day. There's some maximum amount you can withdraw per day. That once you withdraw to that level or to that amount, we are done for today till the following day. The reason why this is very flexible and happening is because it's a centralized finance. Because centralized finance, so people actually control it. But when it comes to decentralized, nobody control it. Your fund is your fund. Nobody knows what comes in. Nobody knows what goes out. Nobody knows the amount there. Nobody can freeze your account. Nobody, only you. So that's the difference between decentralized exchange and decentralized exchange. So let's just come back to cryptocurrency. So when you look at this centralized exchange in cryptocurrency, you made mention of Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, and what have you. So those ones now, if there's anything that happen, they can actually freeze your account. Or if there's any issues, they can actually delay your transaction. Okay, just hold on. First, let's solve this issue. Or if there's any hack, if they hack into their platform, it can indirectly affect you, especially if you have a big amount of money there. So they will actually delay it before they resolve the issue. At the end of it, it might affect you or not affect you. So that's centralized exchange. So when you talk about decentralized exchange, nobody's controlling it. Nothing can happen to it. Nobody can hack to it. Nobody. So the only way you have problem is that if you show your seed phrase keys to someone, then that's the only way the person can actually access your account. But in this one now, you're the one at fault because you are the one that show your seed phrase keys to the person. I don't know if you got the point. So now, if you are using centralized exchange like Binance or KuCoin and you forgot your password, you can actually do forgotten password. They will do some verification. They send the code to your email or your number to verify you are the one, and you retrieve your account. But in decentralized exchange, it's not like that. Once you miss your seed phrase keys, once you throw it away, you are done. The account is gone. Whether you have billions of dollars there, your account is done. So now it's upon you to keep your seed phrase keys because there's no forgotten password. The reason there's no forgotten password is that it's not controlled by any organization that, okay, if you send a forgotten password request to them, they will help you reset it. No, it's non-organization platform. So you are the one in control of it. You cannot even change the phrase keys. You cannot change it. Unlike this one now. Okay, you can decide decentralized. You can decide, okay, you want to change your password, but maybe someone has known. So now you can actually change it. You can even change your phone number. But this one, you cannot change your seed phrase keys. Your seed phrase keys is your seed phrase keys permanently. That's why they call it. It's built on blockchain, self-executing code. So nobody can alter it, nobody can change it, nobody can manipulate it. So now you will have the seed phrase key. So if you are going to open any decentralized exchange, okay, let's just use StormFi as an example. If you want to open StormFi now, you'll see that, okay, create different, they will give you seed phrase keys to save, then you save it. That's all. So you are expected, even the platform will tell you that make sure you keep these things. Make sure you keep it so that if there's anything, you lost your phone or anything, you can really retrieve it back with seed phrase keys. If you lost it, that's all. So that's one thing about decentralized exchange. It's fully controlled by you. That's why nobody can have access. You cannot do anything. You cannot retrieve anything. Only you. So that's one of the things. So decentralized exchange gives you freedom. Apart from giving you freedom, it gives you privacy because nobody knows your history. Nobody knows what's coming. Nobody knows what goes out. So unlike decentralized exchange, that everything, the organization knows the amount of money that enter your wallet, the amount of money that go out. So that's that for decentralized exchange. So if you want to open out, if you are new to Web3 or cryptocurrency and you want to use a decentralized exchange for your trading, I recommend you to use StormFi. StormFi is a decentralized exchange. It's a seamless, fast-text, and trusted platform that you can use to do your trading. Yeah, so you can use it to swap, to provide liquidity, to farm any token you want to farm. They provide the services 24/7. If you want to farm, if you want to provide liquidity, there is always opportunity for you to earn. So don't worry, I'll explain what liquidity is all about and also explain what farming is all about in StormFi in another video. But this one I'm just trying to overall do everything that's going on StormFi that's going to benefit you. So now you have to trade your, and if you compare the charge fix in StormFi DEX to all your other platforms, you realize that it's very cheap, especially if you are using Omnistone. The Omnistone will help you select a better charge for you, a very lowest charge for you to use. So if you are using um, Omnistone to use for your swapping, so that's what. And in most of the centralized exchange, they don't have these things. Only on StormFi. It's only on StormFi you can see this Omnistone, and there are many other innovations that they bring to StormFi that are not yet in any other decentralized exchange. So a quick one, let me let you know that StormFi is built on Ton blockchain. It's built on Ton blockchain, and everything concerning Ton you can easily do it there, and everything concerning, and it's also present in you can also see it in X, you can also see it in KuCoin. So yeah, you see StormFi on KuCoin. So StormFi, I'm inviting you to come and use StormFi DEX to make your trading. If you want to lower fees, if you want to fast seamless transaction, and if you don't want to have a problem, use StormFi.